It's a snowy day in Seattle and we may have to try skiing here in the city.
We as in you.
And you'll go get hot chocolate for when I'm back.
That's right, I'm gonna go get soup and hot chocolate.
We did alpine skiing last time, but we lived on the biggest hill, and now we live in a valley, so it's cross-country time.
Yeah, this is perfect conditions for cross-country. A lot of people have already been out doing it, so clearly it can be done. We'll see how far you get.
If I can do it is a different question, because I've only done it twice before in my life, so now I'm gonna do it in the city.
Find out.
Okay, it seems like I can move around decently well, and filming it is gonna be a totally different story because I will have two of these poles in here. We'll see how well I move there. But here we go. I am prepared. So far going pretty well. Here I have to cross the street and take off my skis, which will be the second time, but from here on it's all smooth sailing or skiing, and I'll see you then. Good to go from here all the way to the lake. Let's see, this should be really beautiful. Here we go, this is amazing. The park is transformed into a cross-country skiing track. This is what it looks like. This is in Seattle, within the city limits. This is a big city. And I get to do this. Simply amazing wonderland here. I'm making my way through the park down to the lake, and it really feels like I'm at a resort. It's amazing. I didn't think that this would happen to this extent, that we'll be able to ski here today, but it looks like even tomorrow it will be so. It's very, very lucky for us to do this right here in the city. And this here is the most exciting part, when we get to the lake. Here we go, snow all the way to the banks of Lake Washington, to the point that you can ski on the very edge of this lake, which is normally very temperate. So this is pretty exceptional. Fantastic skiing experience here out in the wild but really urban environment of Seattle. Right on the banks of Lake Washington. Skiing all the way to Lake Washington. Very fun experience.